Hello guys, welcome to this episode. Now, in this episode, I want to show you how to make a very cool maquette render out of your project. In just a few seconds, with a few clicks, very easy. So the first step is to choose and apply the wooden material for all of your surfaces, your floors, walls and roofs. So click on Edit Type and then change all of your surfaces material. And you can choose white materials for the surfaces you want to be more obvious and more specific. You can choose your materials from the Enscape application. So you can see them all here. And I just choose this one and apply it to all of my surfaces. Because I wanted it to look different, I assigned a white material like plaster to this part. Now the next step is to use some mock-up objects to give our output a better feel. I loaded this tree into the project, and you can use some machines and objects that have a raw white mocked up form from the Enscape asset library. You can find them all in here, and you can use any of them you want. So I open the asset library window, and in the car category there are a number of cars that you can use for rendering a mock-up. I loaded and placed the objects I wanted into my file, and I will also put their files for you to use them. A number of cars and characters from the asset library are Enscape, and the lights and trees are Revit family. And I also ordered a number of studio lights for lighting that will give good light to my workload and have a better mock-up rendering mode. And you should also increase the intensity of the lights. I also increased the intensity of the lights of these objects. Now the last step is to run Enscape, and as you can see, even this mode is beautiful, but the last and the most important point is that you have to go into the Enscape visual setting, and in the sky section and in the source section we have to select the sky box and give it an HDRI related to the interior environment that I downloaded, and I want to load one of them into this section that I assigned this photo, and you can see that the desired output came out, and the rest of it depends on the camera angle, the intensity of the lights and everything. If you like this video or have any question, you can just ask me. I had my contact ID, and I will also provide you with all of the files so you can use them. And this course about fast villa modeling is over here.